Why do your tires look so tiny? Because they're stock 245s.
There we go. We got an action van. Look at that.
Oh, eventually
Mike.
the action van lived.
265s are the right size, dude, if you don't intend on re-gearing it. Yo, Mike, what motor do you got in your Econoline, man? Because you got the 4.6, right, Sebastian? Oh, we got to look at a Ford real quick. 5.4 super. So if you got a 5.4 Econoline, this is basically the same motor with a fat supercharger on the top. Yeah, we'll go out. I'm going to go outside one more time, Mike. We'll take a look at the vans again, because that's what you really want to see. You guys don't care about this. You guys don't care. Let's get out of here. Get out of here, Ford. 5.4. Oh, yeah, dude. Yo, Mike, your 5.4 is going to be fine with the 265s. I think 265s is where you want to go if you don't want to re-gear, because re-gearing is an expensive job. All right, here you go, Mike. So Sebastian's van is on an action van, and he has the 285s. 265s, yeah, there you go. Sebastian's van with the 265 75/16s.
E-rated.
E-rated stock rims. So there you go, Mike. So if you want a perspective, on a action van lift with 265s, there you go, man. It still looks good. I had 245 on mine, and they didn't look good at all. Yeah, Jill Morgan, I want to see you with the lift so bad. Your van looks good. Have you seen Jill's van? It has the nice mountain decals on the side. Yeah. There you go, Mike. Let's take a look. So mine's on 285s. And I talked about this earlier. So I was joking with Sebastian that I know all the useless trivia. We were just talking about RPMs. That's the kind of stuff I talk about. But here's something I noticed about the action van. My hand's at the edge of the bumper. I'm touching the second tire tread. So we're both on stock rims. So on the Well-Tec, I'm the first tire tread. So the action van's actually a little wider than the Well-Tec. The track, because the Well-Tec sucks in the tire width with the bent I-beams. Action van stock orientation. So there you go, Mike. Your van will look just fine. If you decide to stay with the 265s, there you go, man. I think this looks good.
Good guess. I get 20 mpg.
Oh yeah. That guy used to almost 240 for $200 transfer rate with 10 ply. Oh yeah. 10 plies are rough. Sebastian believes in 10 plies. I actually don't. See, we might do a podcast one day. Thumbs up who wants to see a lifted van podcast. But yeah, Mike, anyone watching this is all opinion. Larry from Action Van, he runs Duratrax. Those are not 10 plies. So I have a feeling if you go with non-10 plies, you're obviously going to ride nicer. So these lift kits from both companies, Well-Tec and Action Van, your ride's going to improve. Now, if you combine it with softer tires, it's going to be a lot even nicer. I'm at Action Van Suspension. This is Larry's van. He has the Goodyear Duratrax. These are good tires. This is what my dad's truck came with, his Colorado ZR2. There you go, full tilt off-road. Action Van Suspension. There's my van right there, getting ready to be worked on. Rear locker, re-gear.